Welcome back. Today let's solve the struggles on how to submit written assignments on Brightspace. To avoid hassle, make sure your internet connection is smooth. So here is how you submit your assignment in the new UoPeople campus. Scroll down to the Document Upload tab. Click on Upload if you're on mobile or click Drop File if you're using a PC. We are experimenting with a mobile device here but in desktop view. Desktop view gives you the full experience of the platform, so it is recommended. Now locate your assignment file and click on it to upload to the platform. Now let's write a note to explain to the instructor what we believe he or she might find uneasy to understand. This is optional, but since I made use of an external website to run and debug my program, I have to note it in the comment tab. Now everything is set, scroll up and confirm you uploaded the correct document. If you believe all is correct, then hit the submit button below. And that's it. Assignment submitted and now awaiting review and grading from instructor. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Bye.